Okay then, boys and girls, it's Wednesday today, and today we're going to be converting amounts of money from pounds to pence and from pence to pounds, and that's so that we can know how much money we have. And we're going to be recognising and saying the different coins and the amounts in pence that they represent. Okay? Okay. Each coin relates to an amount of money, which always goes back to pence. And how many pence does each of these coins represent? Have a look at these coins and think about the value that each one of them is. How much pence do you think each one relates to? Pause the video here, make a little note of it on a piece of paper at home. How many pence do these coins represent? Pause the video here. Well done, boys and girls. How did you get on? Could you work out how many pence each one of these coins is worth? Let's go through some answers. 10 pence coin equals 10 pence. 20 pence coin is 20 pence. 50 pence coin is 50 pence. £1 equals 100 pence. A £2 coin equals 200 pence. 5p coin equals 5 pence. And a 2 pence coin equals 2 pence. Now then, I haven't put a penny up here. Here's our 1p coin. So, to make these different coins, you need a certain amount of 1 penny pieces. So, to make a pound, I would need 100 of these coins to make that amount. For £2, I'd need 200 of them. Okay? So, 100 pence is the same as £1. So we can say that 100 pence equals a pound. If I had £2 in my purse, I could say that that is equal to 200 pence. Okay? Again, if I had £3 in my purse, I could say that that is equal to 300 pence. If I had £8 in my purse, how many pence do you think that would total? Pause the video here and see if you can answer that question. Brilliant stuff, boys and girls. How did you get on? If 100 pence is the same as £1, then £8 would be the same as 800 pence. Well done if you got it right. We're going to use this understanding today to help convert or change between looking at pounds and pence. Okay. In my purse, yesterday we were looking at grouping the money so that we could add it up and count it effectively. Today I've got £2 and 20 pence. If I want to think about how much pence that is altogether, think about £2. £2 is the same as 200 pence. And then I've got 20 pence here. So in my purse I actually have 220 pence. But we're writing it like this. I've converted this amount of money here into this amount of pence here. Okay. We know that £1 is worth 100 pence. Can you convert from pounds into pence? I have £1 and 73 pence. Here, I know that £1 is the same as 100 pence. and I've got 73 pence over here. If I add these up, I get 173 equals 173 pence. We've converted £1.73 into 173 pence. Okay? Now then, if I'm not working with any pounds, as we can see here, I'd only need to think about my pence. So this is really easy. If I'm not working with pounds, I can write an amount as pence. So this is really 89p. So, when we're not working with pounds, we can write the value with just a p sign at the end. We don't need to include the pound sign. Okay, what I'd like you to do at home is pause the video here. We know that £1 equals 100 pence, and we know that here we've got an amount of £1.26. Can you tell me how much pence I have altogether? Think about what you know about a pound, and then combine it with the 26. Pause the video here. Brilliant stuff, well done. Could you remember that £1 is the same as 100 pence? And here we can see that it's just 26 pence. Now I need to total my answer up. 100p and 26 is 126 pence altogether. How did you get on? Have a go at this one. £2.34. Can you turn it into the total amount of pence that I have? Pause the video and have a go. Well done. How did you get on? £2 is the same as 200 pence. And I've got 34 pence on my own. If I total them up, 234 equals 234 pence. Well done, boys and girls. I'm sure you're doing a great job. Another one. Have a go. Can you convert this into total amount of pence? Pause the video here. Well done, boys and girls. Let's go through the answer. I've got £3, which is the same as 300 pence. And I've just got 48 pence here. 300 add 48 equals 348 pence. Well done, boys and girls, you're doing great. Now in my purse, I find 234 pennies. And that's a lot of pennies. I wonder how many pounds and pence that is. We can use partitioning to help us solve this problem. We know that 100 pennies equals a pound. Let's use our place value. Here's my hundreds column, here's my tens, and here are my ones. Because we know that 100 pennies equals £1, we're just going to look at our hundreds column. I've got 2 in that column. I know that I'm working with 200, so that equals £2. And then my tens and ones of this number tells me how many pence I'm working with. 34. In my purse I have £2 and 34 pence. We can say this as a sentence. There are £2 and 34 pence. If I wanted to write this using a pound sign, clearly, I could write it like this. £2 and 34. Have a go at home. Can you convert this amount into pounds and pence? Remember, we can use our hundreds, tens and ones to help us. Our hundreds column here will tell us how many pounds there are. Our tens and ones columns here will tell us how many pence are left. Pause the video, see if you can convert this into pounds and pence. Well done, boys and girls. How did you get on? We can see that I've got 4 in the hundreds column. That means 400 pennies. 400 pennies is the equal to £4. I have £4. And 56 tells us how many pence. £4 and 56 pence. If I want to write that correctly, I can say I've got £4 and 56. Okay, so now we've converted from pence into pounds and pence. Have a go at this amount at home. Can you convert this amount of pennies into pounds and pence? Remembering our hundreds, tens and ones. Pause the video here. Oh, before you move on, if you fancy a challenge, what coins would you use to make that amount as well? Well done, boys and girls. Pause the video and have a go. Brilliant stuff, boys and girls. I can see in my hundreds column I've got a 7. That means 700. 700 pence is £7. And lastly, I've just got my tens and ones, which means I've got 85p. We can say I have £7 and 85 pence. Did you get that right, boys and girls? I'm sure you did. Here's your task for today. There is an alternative worksheet on the school website for you to have a go at if you would like to. What I'd like you to do, if you want to do mild activity, there's a worksheet available for you to do. Spicy, what you're going to do is convert the pence into how many pounds and pence. Okay, so you're going to write the number down, you're going to write the equal sign, you're going to practice your pound sign, and then you're going to add it to how much pence you've got. See if you can convert these from pence into pounds and pence. The hot activity today is to look at these amounts which are written in pounds and pence and convert them into total amounts of pence. So you'll write out the number, the amount of money that you have, put an equal sign, and then tell me how much pence you have too. Okay? And if you'd like a little extension, a little challenge, using coins, how many ways can you make these different amounts? Have a go, explore it, see what you can come up with. Well done, boys and girls. I'm sure you're doing a really, really good job. And on the next page, there will be your answers. Okay? Keep up the hard work. You're doing amazing. Well done.